Hello. Have you ever wondered how we can see the stars or how your TV remote control turns on the television? It all has to do with something called the electromagnetic spectrum. In this video, we'll explore the different types of electromagnetic radiation, their characteristics, and how they help us understand the universe. Electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy that travels through space in waves. These waves come in many different sizes or wavelengths and frequency. Wavelength is the distance between two peaks of a wave, while frequency is the number of waves that pass a point in a given amount of time. The electromagnetic spectrum is a continuum of all these different types of radiation arranged in order of increasing wavelength and decreasing frequency. Some of the most familiar types of electromagnetic radiation include radio waves. These have the longest wavelengths and the lowest frequency. They're used for communications such as radio and television broadcasts. Microwaves. These have shorter wavelengths than radio waves and used for cooking and radar. Infrared radiation. This is a type of heat radiation that we can feel as warmth. It's also used in some remote controls and thermal imaging cameras. Visible light. This is the type of electromagnetic radiation that we can see with our eyes. Visible light consists of a range of colors, from red to violet. Ultraviolet radiation. This type of radiation is invisible to the human eye and can be harmful to our skin. This is the type of radiation that's responsible for getting a sunburn. X-rays. These have very short wavelengths and high frequencies. They're used in medical imaging and security screening. Gamma rays. These have the shortest wavelengths and the highest frequencies of all electromagnetic radiation. They're produced by nuclear reactions and can be very dangerous to living organisms. The electromagnetic spectrum is a powerful tool that allows us to explore the universe in ways that were once unimaginable. By understanding the different types of electromagnetic radiation and how they interact with matter, we can gain a deeper understanding of the cosmos. I hope you enjoyed this journey through electromagnetic spectrum. Thank you for watching.